morning. It's Sunday afternoon, so I guess it should be good afternoon. I pretty much crashed last night and this morning, and we got a pretty good thunderstorm here. Got a lot of rain, so I'm just going to check on the driveway where I fixed it, see how bad it is. And look at the land that I cleaned up. This fresh rain will wash a lot of that, settle all that dirt down, and it'll give you a good look at what else you need to do. So let's go take a look. So there's all my low spots. I still need some work to do. So as soon as it dries out, I'll drag some more dirt in there and pack it down. And here's where I've been cleaning up. So I got a pretty good bit done. I may be able to tighten it up some around the edges now that the rain has settled and washed some of that dirt out of those piles. I got that one dead pine right there. I need to push it over and clean up this up here in the edge of the driveway. So it looks pretty good. I need to get something seated in here to help keep it from washing, and got a couple of stumps over there I need to dig up or burn something. There's one right there. So we'll just keep working along, try to get it all knocked down. And right here is where I need to put a pipe in. It's the lowest spot. It really needed another terrace to go around right here, and another drain tile put in the field, because there's one or two already in this field up there, up just below that hill up there. See, if you come up here, you can see the low valley that runs down in that little trough.